Most keyboards feel like plastic toys, but this heavy-duty slab of aluminum feels like it could survive a literal war zone. The Keychron Q7 takes the compact 70% layout and turns it into a premium masterpiece that might just be the last keyboard you ever need to buy. Right out of the box, the weight of the CNC machined body is staggering, giving it a level of stability that cheaper boards simply cannot match. It features a unique 72-key layout that hits the sweet spot between a tiny 65% and a larger tankulus, giving you those essential navigation keys without hogging all your desk space. What really sets this apart is the innovative double gasket structure. By sandwiching silicone pads between the top and bottom cases, Keychron managed to eliminate that annoying metallic resonance, resulting in a typing sound that is crisp and satisfying rather than hollow. This specific model comes with Gateron G Pro Blue switches, which offer a sharp, tactile click that feels incredibly responsive for long typing sessions. If you ever get tired of the noise, the hot-swappable PCB allows you to swap in any 3 or 5 pin switches in minutes without ever touching a soldering iron. The attention to detail continues with the OSA Profile Double-Shot PBT keycaps, which feel premium and resist that ugly oil shine over time. For the power users, the QMK and VIA support is a game changer, allowing for total control over every keymap and macro through open-source firmware. Even the RGB lighting is thoughtful, using a south-facing orientation to ensure the glow is visible to the typist without interfering with aftermarket keycaps. It is a serious tool for anyone who values build quality and customization above all else. The Keychron Q7 is a heavy-duty, fully customizable powerhouse that proves you do not have to sacrifice durability for a compact design.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.